They say the journey of 1,000 frames begins with a simple click, so I click. This is the start of something real. Welcome to F-Stop the Cat. Today marks the first step in our journey as a photographer, cinematographer, and content creator. I just got my hands on the Canon EOS R10 content creator kit, and this podcast is going to be about the ups and downs in the creative hustle with no BS. We're talking about gear, growth, and the grind. And today, it's all about the start with the simple unboxing. So here's the creator kit. It comes with the EOS R10, a Canon E100 stereo mic, a tripod grip, and an 18 to 45 millimeter lens. And for this unboxing process, I'm using the Samsung S24 Ultra.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q.
Artlist.io.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the raft.
I don't know if it was Amazon or whoever it was, but they damn sure kicked it around before, Anyways, we're about to unbox it. So why the R10? Simple. It's beginner friendly, but future proof, great 4K, reliable, Canon color, fast autofocus, and it fits in my hand like a tool I'll grow with. That shot you saw in the beginning, I paired the R10 with the Canon 50mm f1.8. That lens gives you that creamy bokeh and it's affordable. This setup didn't break the bank and it gives me everything I need to start making high quality content, cinematic films, behind the scene vlogs, and now this podcast. This is not an expensive camera, so I'm not here to flex. I'm here to learn. I'm here to learn with you. Let's grow together. Okay, so straight out the box, we have the E100 stereo microphone. It comes with the wind catcher, spit catcher, whatever you want to call it. It helps reduce the background sounds in certain environments to give you that clarity that you're desiring. Up next in the box is the Tripod Grip HG 100 TBR. It's a compact, multifunctional accessory designed for vloggers and also creators, especially those with cameras like the Canon EOS R10. And now for your featured presentation. Here is the Canon R10. Some key features with the Canon R10 is the 24.2 megapixel APS sensor that delivers a sharp, detailed photo and a crisp 4K video. Here's the warranty information and instructions. Also in the box, we have the battery charger, the battery. Also included in the box is the Canon EOS R10 camera neck strap. And here is the 18 to 45 millimeter kit lens that comes with the camera. Nobody's raving about this. I'm actually going to put this to the side. I don't even know why I just didn't get the body. After trying this lens, I was really disappointed. Okay, I can tell you how they got me. They offered the EOS R10, the Canon E100 stereo mic, the tripod with the trigger, and the 18 to 45 millimeter lens as like a bundle deal with this creator kit. Okay, here's the main event, what you guys been waiting for. Here is the Canon R10, shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second, oversampled or 60 frames per second cropped. It has a flip-out screen, fully articulating LCD. It's perfect for self-filming, vlogging, and creative angles. It has a high-resolution video that's perfect for YouTube, short films, and cinematic content. It offers slow motion at 120 frames per second, full HD for smooth action shots. The R10 also has eye tracking, face animal, and vehicle technology for super fast, reliable video and photos. To me, the R10 in 2025 is a beast. Compact, powerful, and built for modern content creators who want cinematic results without the headache and without breaking the bank.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q.
Artlist.io.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys.
F-Stop the Cap is more than a podcast. It's a creative diary. Every episode, I'll be talking about the journey, gear I'm trying, lessons I'm learning, things that nobody told me about being a self-taught filmmaker. If you're a beginner like me, or even curious about content creation, subscribe and follow the journey.
Boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gonna need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they made it, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating.
Artlist.io.
Eyes and tell me how much she loving on my confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time, saying I can't get better. I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right.
Music licensing
I
reimagined.
think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right. Confidence.